gonna do a science project today.
So today we're going to learn about a physical reaction, and we're going to use the process. We're going to do this by creating snow. What we've got here is Insta snow as a powder, and what we're going to do is we're going to add water to it, and it's going to create a physical reaction by absorbing all of the powder. Let me just open up this package here, and I'll show you some of the Insta snow. So this is it here. It's very, very small. And like I said, we're going to add water to it, and it's going to absorb the water and change the way that it looks, but it is still the same properties. So right now what we have is we have 3 small cups filled with warm water, and Sivan is going to dissolve tablets in the water. Go ahead, Sivan. Now once these tablets have dissolved, actually while we're waiting for these to dissolve, we're going to take each of these cups, and Sivan is going to put a spoonful of the Insta snow powder into each cup. Okay. Now once these have dissolved, we're going to pour the liquid into the cup. Oops. Maybe we'll just lift them up, Sivani, because they got wet and the tape isn't sticking. So once it dissolves, hold on. Once it dissolves, then we're going to pour them in. Let me just help it along here. Okay, you do it. So now that they're dissolved, Sivan is going to one at a time pour them, and Abba, you may want to zoom in because there's going to be a reaction. Do you see how the snow powder has absorbed the water? That is an example of a physical reaction. There's the pink, and here's the last one, the yellow. Again, you see how it's absorbing and it's enlarging. Another example of a physical reaction would be with an ice cube. When ice cubes melt, it's a physical reaction. The ice cubes melt into water, and it's still the same amount of ice, but now it's in its liquid form. So now Sivan has, what is this? A cylinder.
A cylinder.
And what she's going to do is she's going to put a couple of different scoops of each color into here, and you're going to see, she's going to create a pattern, and you're going to see a cylinder full of the Insta snow. And Sivan is going to bring this into class, and she's going to share it with you, and you're going to see if there's any changes with the way the cylinder looks. The pattern that we're going to put in is blue, red, and yellow. Sorry, blue, pink, and yellow. And when she brings it into class, you guys look to see if it has changed any more, okay? Okay, Sivani?
Mm-hmm.
So you see she's got blue, pink, and, oops, careful, yellow. Okay, so she's gonna bring this into class, and you guys then look at the cylinder and see if you see anything, if you see any other changes that may happen to the cylinder. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed.